Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna see that how we can fix an issue which we are facing on Windows 11. So we are unable to open Windows security on Windows 11, and in this video we're gonna see some ways by which we can fix our issue. So there can be various reasons for this issue, like outdated version of Windows, faulty apps configurations, and corrupted Windows files. And in order to fix it, first of all update your Windows. Updating your Windows to the latest version will help you to fix your issue. Secondly, run the Windows security troubleshooter. This will help you to find the exact reason why you are facing this issue. To run a Windows security troubleshooter, open settings, go to system, go to troubleshoot, go to other troubleshooter, and here run the Windows update troubleshooter. This will help you to know whether there was an issue while updating your Windows or not. The next thing you have to do is that you have to repair and reset the Windows security, and for that go to settings, go to apps, go to Windows security, click on this three dot option, and here click on advanced option, and on this page you will get both the options. Firstly repair and then reset the application. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.